Danny, I like that. Anthony! Watch out, there's plenty over there. Right, there's loads of them over there.
Oh, move up.
Aye, aye. Move in! Someone from the base! We need help! Come on, stick your head up! I see him! Get someone else over here! Shit! There's one at the tyres! I'm fucking pinned! Them tyres! How many people in the base? Yeah, we need one of our guys, one or two over here. Because there's a guy on the far left flanking, I don't have a clue where he's gone. And there's loads of them around the tyres. Right, what? I'm keeping an eye on the left because there's a guy over there. Guy in the smoke! Shout guys from the base to come over here! Get one of them! Yeah, you've got me pinned! Kit! Anthony! Keep an eye on the left as well! Anthony! Flanking right! There's plenty of them there behind the frigging wall! There's loads of them! Lay down some fire! Yeah, when? Fuck this. Yo!
Let's go.
Whatever you want.
Go, go.
They're all at the castle bit. 4.
5. With the guy with the S80. Go, let's go.
Right, just take it slow, there's no rush.
Right, reload.
This is why you need a radio. Move to there, move to there. I have no clue where any of them are. Exactly, yeah. Guy with a handgun. He's far too quiet.
You keep eyes on that.
Right, keep now and then, because if they get shot at, we'll know where they are. Yeah, there he is.
You?
Yeah.
On me. This tank round. You two. You take me to.
Well, we've got a right flank already.
Keep them busy. Call them distracted.
This is far too quiet. I've never played a game like this. Keep an eye over there. Shall I sprint the base? At least if I get shot, you'll know who's in there. Stuff it!